Sunil Manj is here, ladies and gentlemen, founder and CEO of Park Wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, Sunil Manj, please, for a round of applause. Assalamu
How are you?
कैसे हैं आप? ठीक
अल्लाह
ठाक
का शुक्र,
हैं?
आप सुनाएं, ठीक ठाक?
Good to see you.
Assalamu
Sunil, you're an expert. I've been watching your videos constantly. I always know which car not to get because I know that you're not going to hold back. You always let us know if this car is worthy or this car is not worthy. And it is not just your opinion, it is your expertise opinion that helps us understand. So I want to ask you right off the bat, and this is my own question, not here as a Sazga representative, literally as a host, someone who's looking at this car, मैं खरीदना चाह रहा हूँ, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्या ये सुनील मंच approved है?
मेरे ख्याल से it's a bit early to say that it's approved, but on papers अगर देखा जाए तो it has got everything that Abu Zar was claiming. I tested it last week in the factory और 0 to 100 जो है that was less than 4.8, 4.5 था. So on paper it's very good.
4.5 था?
Yeah, it was 4.5 seconds and we made a first look review of the vehicle. बाकी जो approved है वो we'll have to make an expert review later on. But on papers जो है आजकल के जो claim है कि mileage greater than 1,000 kilometer in a single tank, which is very impressive.
You've seen सारी आपने इनकी vehicles देखी हुई हैं. I know that you're an avid reviewer of the cars that they make. इस गाड़ी के अंदर कौन सी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके बारे में आप excited हो?
आई थिंक दो तीन चीज़ें, एक तो जो ऐप का फीचर है, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान में स्मार्ट व्हीकल्स NEV व्हीकल्स का टाइम आ रहा है, बट NEV इज़ जस्ट अ पैराडाइम शिफ्ट जिसमें एक लाइफस्टाइल चेंज है. सो वी हैव सीन इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स विदाउट एप्स which was not that much good an experience. With this vehicle, as Abu Dhar was telling you, there are 40 odd things that you can control through an app, and it's an actual lifestyle change. And with the NEVs, I think this is the way to go because electric के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा range anxiety होती है. So this car brings best of both worlds. आपको range anxiety नहीं है, at the same time आपको EV mode में अगर आप driving less than 100 kilometer a day, you can juice it up every day and use it like an EV.
Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen, amazing. And last but not least, when you look at this car, what is the first word that comes to your mind?
I think high tech.
High tech.
Yeah. HI4, high tech. This is very smart.
Fantastic. High tech car, high tech design, ingenuity, and of course, the incredible technology that Havel is known for. Sunil, thank you so much. Any last words that you'd like to tell us or like to express to us about this car?
I think it's a good time for auto industry. There are many launches coming in. But one thing everybody have to see while buying a car, that look at the group you're buying the car from, after sales services, and don't go for the claims made by the companies, test them and then buy them.
Fantastic. And a group is very important.
Thank
and a group like this is incredibly important. And to the person who actually runs the group, Mr. CEO, congratulations. Anything that you'd like to share?
Abu Zar gave a very big speech about high-tech 4. So I would like to summarize it in very, very simple words, easy to understand. Those slides mean a lot, but to comprehend what it actually means, this is the world's first plug-in hybrid, which can become an all-wheel drive, which can become a rear-wheel drive, and which can become a front-wheel drive. It can also act as a four-wheel drive because independently, front and rear can be decoupled to give you the feel. Actually, it is a very intelligent vehicle. It sees the terrain beneath it, and if it is sand, if it is like a rocky mountainous area, so it will decide on its own if it requires front wheel, rear propulsion. So it is very, very smart vehicle. In Pakistan, there have been a lot of launches in the past. Mr. Manj was there seeing all of those. It's about raising the bar. We raised the bar with the H6 HEV. Now this one has become Pakistan's quickest and the most efficient vehicle to date. 90 kilometers per liter is our claim in the fuel mileage and 4.8 seconds 0 to 100. No other vehicle matches these specs. So it is a two-in-one vehicle. You can drive it as an EV if you want, all year round. You will not even need a liter of fuel if you plug it in every day. But there are times when you're going on a long journey, it can work as a proper petrol vehicle as well. The most powerful, the most efficient vehicle of Pakistan.
Fantastic. Salman, इतना बड़ा event कैसा लगा आपको?
यार वैसे मैं भी देख रहा कि इतने स्क्रीन्स लगाई हैं, इतने लोग बुलाए हैं, गाड़ी आपने सिर्फ एक दिखाई है, कुछ और भी दिखाना चाहिए था आपको।
Amar, let the big boys out.
Oh, there are big boys. There's
Yeah,
more.
yeah. There are big boys here.
Oh, let's roll them. Ladies and gentlemen, look to the right and left because there's more.
The cannon and the tank.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, the GMW Sazga presents to you the Canon Alpha and the GWM tank.
So I think I'll take a liberty and ask Ali, ये तो सारे CB यूनिट हैं, ये पाकिस्तान में कब आएंगे? Thanks.
देखिए, साजगार का vision is always make in Pakistan.
Yeah.
So we could have launched CBUs probably months ago. इसका तो हमने CBU trials किए हैं. This is the real beast. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle, very few plug-in hybrids, which are proper off-roaders and with
3D
differential locks. Most plug-in hybrid double cabins do not come with differential locks. So that means, in simple words, they are not off-road capable. Small off-roading is can happen on other vehicles, but this is a beast of an off-roader. So instead of bringing CBUs of these, we, as a vision of our CEO, we have to make these in Pakistan.
Wow,
So
amazing.
we are very close to their launch. We
How close? When should we expect? We should
When
start
should we
saving
expect
money.
this? Yeah.
So people-
When are we riding in this? Is
Yeah.
what we want to know.
very, very close.
Very, very close.
Diplomatic
So
answer, very,
basically,
very close.
it's a very big hint to people who are waiting for
Salman,
these
let's make a
vehicles.
deal today. The day this comes out, we both take it for a test drive together.
Done.
Done? Thank you so much.
you very
Ladies and gentlemen, Salman Man and Ms. Mia Ali Hamid, thank you so much.
Thank you.